Check out these new Renegade Industrial Ratcheting Rivet Nut Insert Kits. This cost-effective fastening system is perfect for a large array of applications and industries, including automotive, metal fabrication, industrial machinery, and more. Used to create a strong threaded fastener in thinner materials where a traditional nut just can't be used, Rivet Nuts provide a permanent, reusable thread that can allow bolts to be attached without access of the backside of the work material. Simple to use, it's as easy as inserting the mandrel into the tool and connecting it to its threaded sleeve, pushing the rocker switch up, screwing the rivet nut onto the threaded mandrel, and inserting it into the workpiece. Then you ratchet away until the rivet nut is secure. Included in its own durable blow mold storage case, you get 5 mandrels and 50 riv nuts from sizes M5 to M12, so you can get to work immediately. The ratcheting handle reduces the effort required for heavy duty applications, especially in confined spaces. Light engineering work, maintenance, and repair applications are now an absolute breeze to complete. The quick change mandrels saves you time on the job, and the rubber grips provide comfort for extended use. Built for the professional user, these Renegade Industrial Ratcheting Rivet Nut Insert Kits are easy to use and create strong, reusable threaded rivet nuts for your work material with little effort. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or you can grab your own at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.